Right. Welcome to my class, everyone. Yesterday class, we have successfully discussed about what is UI, what is UX, and who developed HTML, all those things. Okay, everybody. Right. Now, today I will give a little bit brief introduction about yesterday class, and I will continue today class also. So, if you observe there, we are going to learn here UI, but there is other term also there that is called UX. UI and UX both are not same, both are related. Like we and our parents, we are all coming through our parents only, but we have a relation, but we are not same. If we eat, their hungry won't fulfill. If they eat, our hungry won't fulfill. We need to eat individually. In the same way, UI and UX both are different, but they have a relation. Whenever any client want to start any application, directly nobody writes the program. Okay. So first of all, we need to design a plan. That plan can be done in two ways: wireframe and markup. Who will do that? UX person. If you are very experienced in the UI, then you can become a UX. To learn UX, that is very easy. You need to learn some graphical softwares, but we need to know the standards. That is very, very important. And we need to know how to design in a proper shape for the application. Which place is suitable for which criteria. Like that, we need to have everything. So that's why we need to have some experience. So once you got very experienced in the UI, then you can become a UX designer also. Okay, everyone, kindly respond. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay, right. So UX not only in the web applications, it is required, it is everywhere, it will be there. It relies everywhere. For example, if you went to any metro station, once you purchase a ticket from the ticket from the ticket issuer, then he will tell go to the platform number 2. After that, nobody come to you and nobody takes you to the platform number 2. We need to go by our own. But how we will go? They will display a signboard. Okay, platform number 1, go straight. Like that, they will display an arrow. What is that arrow? UX. By seeing that arrow, you will get some experience. Okay, we need to move forward. For example, platform number 2, they will display left arrow. So if you want to go to platform number 2, we need to go left side. So what is that left arrow? That is a UX. Understand it, everybody? So what is the advantage? Everybody get some clear idea what we need to do, like that. And in the mobiles also, there will be UX. Okay, for example, green button, red button will be there in the mobiles. Whenever phone rings and whenever you want to speak, we need to click on the green button. If you don't want to speak, we need to click on the red button. Understanding or not? Or else once the mobile, if you complete your talking, if you leave the phone, if you click on the green button, if you complete your conversation, then we need to click on the red button. See it, everybody, by using simply two different colors, they differentiate the functionality also. What is the advantage? Simply we can explain the mobile functionality, how to use the mobile. Simply we can explain to uneducated persons also, so that mobiles can be used for, okay, mobiles can be used everyone. So sales will be increases. How this is happening? Because of two different colors only, two different icons only. So what is the advantage? One user can explain easily to other user. That user can explain to other user. Like that, it will increase the mobile usage. Why? Because using is very easy. Understanding or not? Respond, everybody.
Yes, sir.
So what is that green color and red color? UX only. By seeing that, we'll experience something. Okay, and same way that one, traffic signals also. Whenever we are riding a car or else a bike, no traffic constable came to you and personally they don't tell you, please stop your car, please stop your bike, something like that. Simply they will display a traffic signal with red color. We need to stop our vehicle. After some time they will display red orange color. We need to get ready, not moving, but we need to get ready. If you switch off your bike, we need to start our bike or car. And once that is completed, they will display within 5 to 10 seconds, they will display green color. Then we should move. We should not wait there. We should move. So what is that? Red, green, orange, UX only. By using three different colors, they are giving clear information to the riders. So UX lies everywhere. Okay, everybody, in the same way, whenever anybody using application also, we should display something with icons. Then only they will experience something. And not only that, we can explain about the application, others also. For example, if you want to chat, if you are opening a Facebook, simply we will tell, click on the human icon or else click on the profile picture, then you can chat. Like that we can tell. So that users will be increases. So how much big application also, that user interface and user experience should be very easy. Then only we can then only we can get more users. That's what Bill Gates says also. What is that? His format. What is that? Keep it simple, stupid. So whatever you did, that doesn't matter. It should be very simple. For example, see to everybody, Windows operating system is there. Automatically it will come, or else we need to write code. Respond everyone. Windows operating system. Automatically it will come, or else they need to write the code. Okay, they have written the code. So that is not easy. That is very complex. But see how easily we are using. If you want to open files, we will click on the file explorer. If you want to open the browser, we are using this. We are not writing any type of programming. We are not, see, to utilize, we are not writing any program. So since it is very easy, just simply clicks and everything, most of the time people are using these computers. That is the formula. So how much a big application, whatever you are developing, that doesn't matter. It should be easy to users. Then only we'll get more users. Okay, everybody. So how that will come? By designing a proper plan. How we will design that plan? By writing code, or else by designing in the Photoshop, or else graphical softwares. By designing in the graphical softwares. For example, if you are going to any civil engineer to draw plan for your house, directly does he design with a pencil or else a pen? How can he can design with a pen or else pencil? With a pencil only. Why? Because if there is any mistake, easily he can correct it. Once that plan is finalized, then he will design with again pen. Understanding or not? Respond everyone. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what is the advantage? If there is any mistake, easily we are able to resolve it immediately. In the same way, whenever anybody start any application also, first of all, we need to draw a plan. That plan can be drawn in two ways, wireframe and markup. How they will draw that? Not by writing immediately code. They will use Photoshop software. First of all, they will design a plan. That plan can be called as wireframe. Once that plan is approved by the client, okay, then he will convert that into markup. So in order to design a plan also, wireframe also, markup also, we should have very experience in the web application development. That's why I'm telling, if you are very experienced in the UI development, then only you can become the UX developer, UX designer. Okay, I will show you an example for UI and UX. See here everybody, I want to design an application like this. But before that, directly I cannot write code, and I cannot move it to the Android or else iOS Play Stores. What I will do, first of all, I will design a plan. See this everybody. What is this? This is a plan. There is no proper images, just a plan only. That plan can be called what? Wireframe. Observe my mouse cursor. Observe in it. What is that? Wireframe. What is their left side? Menu. And observe the same markup. Left side, what is there? Menu or not? Menu icon or not? Respond everyone.
Yes, sir.
In the center, there is logo. What is there? Logo. In the right side, what is there? Search. How they are displaying search? By displaying icon. By seeing this magnifying tool, what we will get? What is the experience we'll get? If you want to see, observe everything. If you want to observe everything, anything very clearly, specific one, then only we will use this magnifier tool. If you want to see the wall, no need to use any magnifier tool. With our eyes, we can see. But if you want to see anything very clearly, if you want to observe any gold, or else if you want to observe any diamond or anything, we need to use this magnifier tool only. So if you want to see any particular specific thing, if you want to search anything specifically, then only we need to use this magnifier tool. Same way they are getting experience. If you want to search any particular thing specifically, they are indicating with this magnifier tool. Understanding or not? Respond everybody. So the icon should represent the user's purpose also. Okay, everyone? Right. And then after observe there, this is what, if there is, whenever there is a box with a cross symbol, okay, that is called an image, that represents an image. See it everybody, left side, what is there? Profile image. See, that's what they are doing. Then after name and details, see it, profile related name, profile related details. Right side, social media logos of the profile. See it everybody, right side, what is there? Social media profiles, social media links of the profile only. And then after that profile related post, see it, that profile related post, same thing here they are doing. Below that likes hash means count, shares count, comments total count. See it, likes 520, shares 41, comments 40. Then after camera, chart, home, LS, they are not just keeping the headings. They are displaying an image. That means what? To fulfill the camera requirement, we need to use an icon. See it? Camera icon. Use human icon. With human, what we can do? We can communicate. So chatting is nothing but communication. If we want to go to starting of the application, we need to click on the home. Then after application related notifications, application related settings. See it, everybody? Understanding or not? So UX designer will design this wireframe and markup. Once both are approved by the client, then only we need to convert this into a web page. So to convert this web markup into a web page, we need to use HTML and CSS. Understanding, everyone? Kindly respond. Sugan, Iger, Butuja.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So we need to convert this into a web page. We need to use HTML and CSS. So now coming to here. First of all, if you want to learn any language or any technology, we need to know what is the purpose of the technology, who developed the technology, what is the purpose of the technology, why they have developed the technology, with the technology what we can do, what we cannot do, so what it is offering, what it is not offering, everything we need to know. Then we can get 50% of the subject very easily. 50% of the subject very easily. Okay, right. Now here also observe it. First of all, who developed this HTML? Give me a second. Let me drink water. See here, everybody, who developed this HTML? HTML was developed by Tim Berners-Lee. Who is that, everybody? Tim Berners-Lee. He is the great programmer. He developed the HTML. Right. If anybody develops anything, there should be some purpose. For example, you are also coming here with a purpose. Why? To learn UI technologies. Okay. Right. In the same way, he is developed HTML. There should be definitely some purpose. Why HTML was developed? To create web page or website. Then after, what is a website? Website is nothing but collection of web pages which contains information. What is a website? Collection of web pages. Why collection of web pages? Why can't we display entire information in a single page? For example, you are reading a book. How will they will display the image, that information? How they will display that information? All the information in a single page? Respond, everyone. All the information do they display in a single page, or they will display in multiple pages with the chapters? What they will do? Respond, everyone. In the book, how they will share the information?
Chapter wise.
Chapter wise. What is that, everybody? They don't write entire information in a single page. They will write in multiple pages, but they will divide into, first of all, chapters. Each and every chapter they will write in a multiple pages, and each and every chapter they will divide into again paragraphs. If there is an image is required, they will display with images also. So by seeing that, what we will do, we'll get some convenience. We'll feel comfortable to read the entire information. Okay, everybody, chapter by chapter. Chapter 1 we can complete after within 1 or 2 days. Chapter 2 we can complete within 2 to 3 days. Like that, we can feel comfortable to read the entire information. Rather than that, if they're displaying entire information in a single paragraph, what happens? We will feel uncomfortable and we will forget up to where we have read. Because in entire information we cannot read in a single day. If they write in the same page, what happens? We don't remember up to where we have read yesterday. So that's why they have developed it. They have divided into chapters, and each and every chapter they were divided into paragraphs, so that whoever reads, they will feel comfortable. In the same way, if anybody opens any website, nobody reads the same information. Somebody they will see the products. Somebody they want to know who developed that application, what is their purpose. Somebody they will somebody will check for how to contact them. So that's why okay, that's why they will divide our application into multiple pages, but all the pages related to one particular application, that is a website. Okay, everybody. So Website is nothing but collection of web pages which contains proper information. Right. There is other term also there. What is that? Web application. What is the difference between website and web application? What is the difference between website and web application? So websites, all websites comes under web 1.0. Whenever internet evolution started, okay, everybody, there are very less web applications. For example, Yahoo is there, Yahoo Messenger is there. With the Yahoo Messenger, we are able to chat. Anybody chat with Yahoo Messenger here? Respond everyone. Anybody used Yahoo Messenger? Respond please. Hello. Just generally I'm asking. Anybody
No,
used Yahoo Messenger?
no
No.
WhatsApp.
Yeah, okay. I think you are WhatsApp generation, Facebook generation. But whenever internet evolution started at the 2005, 2006, at that time, okay, everybody, at that time, everybody chats with Yahoo Messenger only. Okay, there is no friend request or anything. Directly they need to log in with the Yahoo Messenger. There will be different rooms. They will go to any room. They will find some people. So without their anything, they will directly chat with them. They can send the messages also. So what is that? That is Web 2.0. That is a web application. So by using that web application, we can interact with the other persons also, or else we can interact with the application also. But what is website? Website is nothing but, okay, website is nothing but which provide only information. There is no interaction. Very basic interaction. What is that interaction? Scrolling up, scrolling down, clicking somewhere, only that interaction only. That is called website. Only basic interaction only it will provide. You cannot interact with the application. Just you can click somewhere and you can go to different page. You can see, read the information. That is a website only. That is web 1.0. So whenever internet started, whenever a website evolution started, that is only web 1.0. Only we can read the information. Understanding that my point? Respond, Yuga.
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Right. And then after web 2.0 came, there we can interact with the application and we can interact with the other persons also. So the okay, if it is providing interaction through application, if it is providing interaction through website, that is a web application. If there is no interaction with the application, that is a website, and you can read only information. If you are finding only information, that is a website. If you are able to interact, okay, through the application with the application also, or else through the application, if you are interact with other persons also, that is web 2.0. That is a web application only. For example, now if you want to get a job, we need to create profiles. Where we need to create the profiles? Now create Times Jobs, Monster, that type of things only, right? Respond everyone. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So who is posting the jobs there? Are you am I able to post a job? Or else are you able to post a job? No. Somebody will register as a consultant and they are giving permission to post a job also. And as a user, what we can do? We can see that post and we can apply it. Okay. So if you click on the apply, where it will go? Directly to the company. So what is happening? We are communicating through Naukri.com. That is a web application only. And sometimes what happens? Directly you will get a mail from the company to your Gmail. Have you ever think how it is coming? Respond. Have you ever think how it is coming? Directly you are getting a call letter from a company to your email. How you are getting? Because you are registering in the Naukri.com. So I will register as a consultant. You will register as a normal user. So that if you want to register as a consultant, they will charge some money, 50, 10,000, 20,000 or like that. They will give some period of time. In that period of time, I can download n number of resumes, daily 100 resumes or 1,000 resumes I can download. So according to my requirement, I will search and I will download the resumes and I will go through that resumes. Whatever the resume is suitable for my job, I will send an email also. Understand my point? Hello?
Yes.
Okay, what is that? That is some business also going on. Some consultant is paying money to the Naukri. So there is some business also involving and communication also happening. So Naukri is a web application. The same way YouTube also a web application. There we can see so many videos. How that videos are coming? All the videos are uploading by YouTube owner. No, we are creating channels. I have a YouTube channel. I will create content. I will upload into my YouTube channel. And who okay? Then YouTube will promote that. Understand that? So if I got 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, immediately I'm able to monetization also. That means I can earn through YouTube also. So there is some interaction also happening. There is some money transactions also happening. That is an application only. And Facebook also, that is an interaction. We can send a request to the friends. We can chat with them. We can make audio calls, video calls, and we can do business also. Okay, everybody. So those are all web applications only. Understand my point? Kindly respond, everyone.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, right. So that is the difference between website and web application. So if anything is providing only information, that is a website. If you are able to interact with the application, that is a web application. Right. So what is that? Website only. Right. Then why we need to create the website? That means what is the purpose of the web page or website? What is the purpose? To share the information across the world. What is that, everybody? To share the information across the world. No, sir. Why information in the YouTube? There is only videos. Yeah, videos are nothing but information. For example, if you open YouTube, if you search for Java tutorials, some teachers will teach you what is that? Information only. So they are sharing the information video format. Understand, everybody? So in the YouTube, we are getting information in the video format. Understanding or not? Respond, everybody. Hello.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. If you if you download and install Cookie FM, if you go to Cookie FM, what you will find? Audio books. That means somebody will read books for you. You just keep headset and listen to that books. So you no need to read. Just you can listen to that books. Okay, everybody. What is that? They are providing the information audio format. What is that, everybody? Audio format. Understand my point? Respond, please. Okay. And if you open Wikipedia, you can read the information now, text format. Whenever it is required, they will display with images also. If you open Myntra.com, Amazon.com, sorry, Amazon.in, there you can see the information in the form of images. Okay. So whatever it may be in the internet, what are you getting? Websites, or else web applications. In the web applications, what are you getting? Information only. Information is nothing but data. That's why all the mobile companies charges for data. Understand, everybody? Data plan like that they will tell. They don't tell internet plan. Understand or not? Respond, everybody. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, right. So in the website, what are you doing? We are sharing the information across the world. With the information, what we can do? Respond, everyone. With the information, what we can do? We can evolve. What is that, everybody? We can evolve. How we are sharing the information? Through website and web applications. So who is developing websites and web applications? Respond, everyone. Who is developing websites or web applications? Who is developing?
Developer.
Yeah,
Developer.
as a software engineer, you are developing. As a software engineer, we are developing. UI developers, okay, Java programmers or speech programmers, whatever it may be, they are the part of the website or web application development. So that means we are playing crucial role in the world by sharing the information. Okay, we are playing crucial role in the world by sharing the information. Sir, how can you tell we are playing crucial role? Okay, for example, internet has collapsed. No web application is working. Okay, no internet is working, no web application, mobile application also not working. That is a loss to the world or not? Respond, everyone. Think once, think twice, and tell me.
Yes,
If
sir.
internet not okay, how it is a loss? Before 30 years there is no internet, but still we have survived. Why it is a loss? Because entire
Time consumption.
world, because entire world is running nowadays depends upon the internet only. Depends upon the internet only. For example, banking section. Okay, everybody, banking. So there are lot of banks are there. Each and every bank has a web application or not, mobile application or not. Respond. Each and every bank has a mobile application, web application or not. Respond kindly. Don't be silent.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yeah.
they have it. So how they are having it? Because software engineers are developing. For example, if there is no internet is working, what happens? All the web applications and mobile applications does not work. So what happens? Everybody go to the bank. How many people will go to the bank? Each and every family will go to the bank. Each and every person has to go to the bank. Each and every person also has to go to the bank. Why? Because everybody nowadays maintaining a bank account. For example, an illiterate parents are there. Think like that. Okay, literate or illiterate, whatever it may be. A family is there. Mother has to get benefits from the government, like Dwakra or else any other things. So she has to maintain a bank account. Father has there. He has to get some benefits from the government, loan crops, crop loans, or else a loan, okay, or else loan related things, anything. He has to get some benefits from the government. So he has to maintain a bank account. Understand my point? Respond everybody. And he as a students, he also has to get some benefits. What is that? Stipends also, or else fee reimbursement also. Okay, anything, scholarship also, you need to get from the government. So what we need to do, you need to maintain a bank account. So everybody has to go to the bank if the internet is not working manually. If the internet is not working, then we need to go to the banks manually. Clear or not? Respond everyone. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear.
Then what
Yeah.
happens? There will be lot of crowd in the banks. Okay. So for example, you want to deposit some money for some other account. Then what happens? There is huge crowd. So your work cannot be completed within a single day. You need to go to the bank. You need to wait hours and hours. You will get only token. Then that token also you need to come after 1 week. Then only you can deposit the money. In this 1 week also we need to do the money transactions, right? And again daily we need to go to the bank. Since we need to go to the bank daily, what happens? We will go one day and we will get back our money back. Okay, we will take all our money back. We will withdraw all our money from the banks. Then what happens? What happens? You have every right to withdraw your money from the bank. You have every right. But everybody withdraw money from the banks, what happens? Not only banks, entire financial system of the nation will be collapses. Why? Since there is a bank system, that's how we can track the income of each and every person. If there is no bank system, what happens? Everybody keeps money in their own home. Then what happens? We cannot know, we don't know who is earning more money, who is not earning more money also. So nobody pays taxes. If they are paying tax also, that is very less. So that we cannot build roads, we cannot build hospitals, we cannot build a building, so that we cannot provide employment also. Understanding that my point? Respond. Here I am not promoting any political party. Don't think another way. Just I am telling. Understanding my point? Respond everyone.
Yes.
Yes, sir. You are correct.
Yeah, if there is no banking system, there is no tracking of income of any other person. Everybody store their money in their home only. Nobody pays taxes properly. So that we cannot get better lifestyle. At least we don't get basic lifestyle also. Like roads, hospitals also, we are okay, airports, bus stands, at least these type of things also we are not able to conduct. So whenever people started using banks, then only our country started developing. So why people are using banks? Because of the time saving. Previous days, everybody has to go to the banks, hours and hours. They need to deposit. If they want to deposit 10%, they need to collect all the accounts numbers. Each and every time they need to write. If there is any simple mistake also, again they need to go to the banks. That is very headache process. And transaction report also, it will take long time. Okay, everybody, right? Nowadays, what is happening? We are depositing money in our home, in our own account, 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs also. And whomever I want to pay money, one time collecting their information, I am registering there, and I am checking whether the money is going properly or not. Once they are confirming, I will sending entire money, whatever I want to transfer them. 1 lakh also, 10,000 also, 50,000 also, 10 lakhs also I am transferring through online only. Okay, then what is happening? Since this easy accessibility, everybody started using banks. Since everybody try using the banks, there is a tracking system. So most of the time they are collecting the taxes. Then we are getting better lifestyle. Okay, everybody, right? And not only that, we are getting some clear report of our transactions. For example, today you have deposited 1 lakh. 10 days you have spent money. Then after suddenly you remembered how much money you have spent, how much you left in the account. Previous days, what happens? We need to go to the bank. We need to get a transaction report. It will take a lot of time. But now simply we can log into our bank account, application. We can get a transaction report 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, 2 years. Also we can get up to 2 years. Understanding or not? Each and every paisa they will display. Clear it, everybody? Can you respond?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, right. So this is the advantage. So by using these banking applications, internet applications, what we are doing? We are saving the people's time. We are saving the people's time. Previous days, we need to wait hours and hours. Now just by sitting in your bedroom, bathroom also you can pay the money. That much we have simplified. Okay, that is one thing. And not only that, banking things. For example, you are a poor person, you want to prepare for civils. Previous days, what happens? We need to go to the Delhi. There we need to okay, pay so much money. Okay. So if you are poor person, you are not able to afford. Though you can prepare by your own, but still we are not able to do that. Why? Because of you are poor, you are poverty. Okay, because of you are a poor person. But nowadays, what happens? You can order the books through online. In the online, we can get everything: soaps, brushes, not clothes. Not only that, we can order the books also. If you are not able to access a smartphone, also not a problem. You can go to any internet point. There you can order the books. Once the books came, you can pay the money. So Monday to morning to evening, you can go to your work. Evening to midnight, you can study. Midnight to morning, you can sleep, and again you can go to your work. So no need to drop your ambition. If you are preparing very well, if you are studying properly, then you can crack the civils or else any competitive exam. Then you can change your life. You can come out of your poverty. How this is happening? Because of the e-commerce application. Somebody is selling books through online also. Understanding or not? Respond everyone. Hello.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, who is developing that application? You are developing. Yes, you are a developer. You are able to design a web page or website. You are doing it. Okay, everyone. Right. And not only that, previous days branded clothes are not available in all the places. So usage is very less. But nowadays they can sell it through Myntra. Not only that, I am very normal person. I have only 5 to 10 lakhs only. I want to launch a new cloth brand. Previous days what happens? If I design clothes also, nobody trust me. But nowadays, with that 5 lakhs and 10 lakhs, how many clothes I can design and how much better quality I can provide, I can sell it through Myntra or else Amazon or Flipkart. If more customers are using, then I can open an outlet also, offline outlet also I can open. And whoever interested, they can take a branch from me and they can keep their hometown also. So what is happening? My business is increasing. Not only that, I am recruiting more persons. Since I am recruiting more persons, I am providing employment also. So how this is happening? Because of the Myntra, Amazon, Flipkart only. Okay, now business is expanded. Since business is expanding, I can provide more jobs to others also. So I am okay. Employment also increases. How? Because of the web applications and mobile applications. Clear it, everybody? Respond.
Yes.
Okay, who is developing? As a software engineer, you are developing. That's why I told entire world is running depends upon the internet. In the internet, we can get only web applications and mobile applications. If the internet collapses, then world will be collapses. Okay, right. As a software engineer, we are playing crucial role. Farmers, soldiers, and software engineers are very, very important in the world. We are not just dummy persons in the world. like Brahmanandam in Pokri. Okay, we are not just comedians. Okay, we are heroes. We are helping to the world by sharing the information. Okay, by saving their time also. Clear to everybody? This is the actual usage of the web applications and mobile applications. Sir, why are you boasting about our software industry? Why? Because this is related to your career also. For example, you have constructed a home, only painting is pending. Whom will you recruit, painter or electrician? Respond everyone. Painting work only pending. Whom will you recruit, painter or electrician? Painter. Okay, right. So today you have recruited a painter. Friday, okay, Saturday, Sunday, Monday completed work is Tuesday, 4 days work is completed. 5th day, that means in the Wednesday, again do you recruit a new painter? Respond. On the 5th day, again do you recruit a new painter?
No.
No. Why? Your painting work is completed.
Done.
Yes.
So, yeah, when are you recruiting a new painter? Whenever he is required. So you are also doing software engineering course, UI development. Why? To get a job. If you want to get a job, there should be some requirements. So now tell me, yes, I discussed just previously 5 minutes. Web applications and mobile applications are required or not in the world? Respond everyone.
Request.
So if they are required,
Required.
what happens? Software companies get clients. Whenever they are getting clients, then automatically they will recruit the new persons also. So this is related to your career also. Okay, everybody. So there is
Yes.
lot, yeah, there is lot of requirement in the world related to web applications and mobile applications. Since there is lot of requirements, definitely they will recruit you. Okay, everybody. Respond.
Yes.
Okay, right. So as a software engineer, especially as a UI developer, as long as you live, you can get a job. After your death also, this world will be continue with the internet. That means web application and mobile application developers always has jobs. As long as world exists, until then, web application developers and mobile application developers will get a job. Okay, everybody, there is huge requirements. Correct, everyone? Please respond. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Yeah. So that's it, everyone. Leave it like this. So we'll meet on Monday. We'll continue the rest of the topics. By Monday or Tuesday, I will continue the practical works also. First 2 to 3 days only, I will teach only theoretically. Next onwards, everything I will teach everything practically only. Okay, everyone, kindly respond. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, right. So we'll meet on Monday. We'll continue our classes. Okay, right. If any student is interested, you can make payments also. Just I'm informing. I'm not forcing anybody. Just I'm telling it. Okay, right. Monday onwards we'll continue. Okay, everyone. Right. Thank you.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you very much, everyone. Yes.
Thank you.